This is a 1936 Parker Vacumatic pen. It's over 80 years old. The nib looks okay. The body is okay. But it's missing the end cap jewel. It has some threads inside. I'll try to make that jewel and install it on the pen. So I'm using a drill bit that is smaller than the hole and wrapping it with some cellophane. If this works, I'll think about making a tassie as well and another jewel fitting the tassie. But for the time being, I'll just make a jewel and see what happens. I'm wrapping a thread around the drill bit. I just put cellophane paper and then wrapped some string on it. I'm trying to make a screw to form to fit in the end cap. By moving the end cap on the thread, some threads will be formed on the string. Then I'll cover it with another cellophane paper and I will put some super glue on it. The super glue with the thread will harden and will make a permanent screw. Now I'm running the threads on the end cap again on the thread, on the string threads. It's hard because super glue hardens very fast, so I have to work fast. I will leave it to dry. I'm taking a normal car clip and trying to shape it. I need it to be slightly smaller than the drill bit, so I'm testing it now. Needs some work, a little bit work. I'll clean it further. Okay now. Fits okay on the clip. Time to glue it. Now I'm cutting it to the correct length and cleaning the sharp edges. So it fits. I'll be covering the end cap. This will protect the pen from any scratches. Now I'm cutting it to take the form of the end cap and filing the end of it so that I get a smooth surface to work on. I started with a 320 grit sandpaper and now with 1000 grit sandpaper. This is preliminary, just to prepare it. And now I'm making grooves in it. The grooves should give an effect that it is part of the original pen, although it is not. making them a little bit deeper. And now I'm filling them with some powder, white powder. The talcum does not react with super glue fast like bicarbonates or other stuff, so it is easier to work with. But when it solidifies, it does it in a good way. So this is how it looks after the super glue is dry. And now I'm cleaning the sides and the face, again with 320 grit sandpaper, and trying to get a smooth surface all around. Now I'm polishing the jewel. Takes some time, but this is the end result. Looks acceptable, I think. Let's see how it looks on the pen. Looks okay, huh? Okay, this project is complete. Thank you for watching.